If you need a power bank that's going to charge all your devices easily, this is definitely the one to get. This has a capacity of 56,800 milliamp hours. This can easily charge your devices, say for instance a phone. You can charge it from dead to 50% within 30 minutes. Now we do have a display here. It's going to let you know how much battery life is left in here. So right now I have it charged at 100%. We've got a button right here. You just do a quick press and this lights up. Otherwise it's going to go ahead and just dark out. On the top here, this is where our inputs and outputs are. We've got, so you can charge 3 different devices, 2 USB-A ports. Also, we've got a Type-C. That is an input and an output. So this is what you're going to use to go ahead and charge it. Now it does come with a charging cord here, Type-C. So that's what you're going to go ahead and use to charge it. And you can also charge other things that take a Type-C. Now it's a pretty good size here. It does weigh right around 1 pound, but with it over 56,000 milliamp hours, I mean, this could charge several items many times over. And it's definitely one that I would like to travel with. That way I've always got plenty of power to charge up all my devices whatsoever. And I do like that we've got a nice, large, easy to read display. Hope you found this helpful.